Hey guys, this is a quick look unboxing review at the Nasjac Fashion Hair Dryer. It's 1800 watt and only 47.99 Canadian. Could it be really good? You have your, I'm not sure what this one's called, but it's like that you like push against your hair and you know, dry like that. I don't use it, I just use the main circle, like no attachment style. I guess a lot of these are coming out to look like Dyson clones. You know, you even got the ring and the kind of rubberized material. Looks pretty awesome. Get it out of the box. Cord is, I guess, long enough. It's a little bit short. Cool mode seems easy to press. It doesn't click in. It's one of those ones where you have to hold the whole time, which annoys me because I normally keep it on cold. And it has a way that you can bend it like that. I'm not sure why you would want that, but maybe if you wanted to keep it on an angle as opposed to breaking your wrist like that, you know, if you're a hairdryer or whatnot. But the fact that it locks into place on an angle might be helpful in some situations. So let's turn it on and try it out. So let's try to blow away the manual. All right, that was on the lowest setting. Oh, no, I was wrong. They do have a cold only setting. Which I believe is high. That's low warm. So I gotta say, just the fact that this is here to lock into the cold means a lot to me because I only dry with cold. My wife obviously uses the warm, and yeah, pretty powerful for $47.99. You can't go wrong. There's hair dryers that are, you know, $75 that don't have this power and heat, and it instantly gets hot. So. Maybe not instantly, about 5 seconds to total hotness, but a lot warmer than, or a lot quicker to full warmth than I'm used to. And yeah, overall I'm impressed. It looks and feels great. It's easy to hold. The cord actually is surprisingly long enough. I originally thought it wasn't. It does look to mark easy. But hopefully the material, since it's a rubberized, will, you know, you just easily wipe it. But yeah. Hope you guys like this review. Check this product out, pretty cool. Have a great day.